The members of Rotary Club of Shillong today made an ardent appeal to the citizens of Meghalaya to take COVID vaccines as a precaution to protect themselves and others from the spread of coronavirus. Speaking at the roadside program titled Vaccine Taken, Life is Precious, organized by the Rotary Club of Shillong near Youth Hostel between Raj Bhavan and Additional Secretariat, Meghalaya. Health and Family Welfare Minister A.L. Heck lauded the efforts made by the Rotary Club of Shillong for providing a wide public display so that the people could come forward to take the vaccination. The vaccination is not for personal safety, but for the safety of others, the health minister also said, adding that such publicity and taking of vaccination will ensure that the virus is nipped in the bud.
Okay, sir, you can tell us today's program.
So we are very happy today that the Rotary Club of Shillong also they have made a lot of efforts and their contributions to ensure that our people also will come for the vaccinations. See, this vaccination is not only for your individual safety, it is the safety of yourself, the safety of your family, and the safety of the people of our states. So therefore, we appeal to all the people and like to also to make more publicity like what the Rotary Club of Shillong are doing. Give more publicity, you give any kind of publicity or any kind of publicity for the benefit of our people, of our citizens. So therefore, once again, I appeal to all the people, they should come forward, volunteer yourself like what the Rotary Club of Shillong has done, volunteer and make more people to come for the vaccination for their safety, the safety of family and safety of the people, the citizens of our states.
On the other hand, the president of the Rotary Club of Shillong, Arundhati Paul, requested the citizens of the state and particularly the people of Shillong to get themselves vaccinated in view of the surgence of coronavirus so that all the citizens stay safe.
And this beautiful city to kindly vaccinate themselves. As there is a resurgence of COVID-19, it is time that all citizens come out and get themselves vaccinated. It is an initiative from Rotary Club of Shillong to all citizens to come forward and inoculate themselves and ensure that the person next to us is safe and sound from this virus. I here with my team request everyone to do the same.